This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
The first desire that people have when they're trying to build apps and they don't know how to make the apps is to have someone build it for them for free. And that means getting a co-founder or a partner, a business partner who's a software engineer. That is a great thing if you can get it. And that's what most people try first. There are some cautions that really I want to point out. And the cautions come from Paul Graham, who is the founder of the Y Combinator, which is the biggest startup, the biggest and most successful startup combinator in the world. And so he sees thousands of startups. He has seen and funded thousands of startups. And what he notices as one of the biggest distinction in success versus failure is if the partners have successfully worked together on a project before. If you're just getting random person and say, hey, you know how to code, I need you to make my app, in most cases that business fails. Even if they have money, which maybe you don't, and even if they have great advisors, which maybe you don't, because the Y Combinator, those companies have world-class advisors and hundreds of thousands of dollars thrown at them. And still, if the people don't have good work ethic, if they have not worked together before, that is one of the biggest reasons of business failure. And so that's a mistake not to make. Do not jump in with random programmers. Do not just, you have to have a testing out, a feeling out process. And I'll talk a little bit about that shortly.